Good morning, guys. My name is Patrick. I'm gonna give you a training on vacuum cleaners. Although many people aren't aware, selling the vacuum cleaners and upright vacuum cleaners were originally developed for two different purposes. Selling the vacuum cleaners were developed for hard floors, and upright vacuum cleaners were developed for carpet. The typically cleaning heads on each of the vacuum cleaners reflects on the differences with cylinder vacuum cleaners, tending to lack the powerful rotating brushes you will find in the head of upright vacuum cleaners.